Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious and of course delicious. Kids Can Cook, yeah, whoa. Kids Can Cook, get ready for the show.
The Kids Can Cook, where we like to go all around the world and cook delicious dishes with kids. I'm Chef D. How y'all doing today?
Good!
Awesome. We are making a special recipe for you guys today in celebration of our nation's 250th birthday. We are making S'mOreos.
Ooh.
Your face. Why are you making that face? You're like, what is a S'mOreo? Mm-hmm. We're gonna make s'mores. We're gonna make s'mores. Just, you got it?
We're gonna make s'mores and then eat the Oreos. Keep on shut up.
No.
No.
How about we don't, but say we did? All right, we're gonna make s'mOreos. So we're gonna make s'mores with Oreos. Okay, I got some other graham crackers here if you want to have a little bit more fun after that. But the recipe is s'mOreos. So you're gonna take an Oreo cookie, a traditional Oreo cookie. This is when you walk closer to me and zoom in.
That's what I did.
You're not walking. You're just.
I zoomed in.
Come in tight. All right, s'mOreos. All right, you're gonna take an Oreo cookie. Then you're gonna do what we do with traditional Oreo cookies. You twist it, right?
Yes.
Boom. Very simple. That was lame, but it was good for my ego. All right. No, not like that. That's just weird. All right. So we have it. We have our
Wait, are we gonna put the marshmallow on?
I'm gonna teach you. If you give me a chance. Are we gonna do it? I'm gonna do it. I got you. All right. I'm so sorry. All right, we're gonna take our Hershey's chocolate. I'm gonna sit it right here. All right. Then I'm gonna take my marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Let me get my oohs and my ahs. Ooh. Love it. All right. And then I'm just gonna, like we do all the time, we're gonna roast it. Why? Why? What's wrong with you? What's wrong? Are you okay? What's wrong with you? You okay? Yeah. What's wrong? You spinning quarters? Are you spinning quarters? You're spinning quarters. You think you're Young Miami? You're just gonna spin that, right?
Who's that?
Okay. All right, now we're roasting our marshmallow. I like to get my marshmallow nice and on fire like this.
Let me eat it. Let me eat it.
No. All right, so.
Oh, it's burning. It burnt. It burnt.
Nah, you be quiet. What's wrong with you?
I've never had a s'more before.
You've never had a s'more before? You're supposed to burn the marshmallow.
But how are you going to eat it?
Sir?
What you mean by eating
If you
it?
let me, you're not gonna let me, are you? Are you gonna let me? It's supposed to be burned.
Just like that.
All right? I'm gonna make a couple more so you guys see it, and then I'm gonna let y'all come make your own, okay? Everybody got it? Yes. What's your question?
Oh, I learned a trick. Like, if you bite a little bit of marshmallow and like stick the chocolate into it, and like you bite a little.
I'm not gonna lie, it smells weird to me, bro. You smell smoke?
Maybe because it's a fire.
Yeah, maybe because you saw fire.
Mister. Oh.
Yeah.
Can I get water?
You can go around and do whatever you want to do. Come over here, don't block that camera. Somebody asked me how many calories.
Yes, she did.
Does it matter? Looks good.
I think somebody burned it, so excuse me.
One more for the road.
Oh yeah.
Yo, give me one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, that looks
Why you get so quiet?
Because he over there making dolphin sounds. He want to go back to the ocean.
You know
If it doesn't catch fire like this, you probably didn't do it right.
You didn't press it all the way.
Miss, be quiet.
All right, and we have. I'm gonna do a special. Hold on. Let me do a special. Cut it. I gotta do it. Why? Don't do that, sir. Please don't do that.
I'm saying y'all take your time. Y'all don't want to rush your marshmallows. You don't want to burn it. Take your time.
I'm gonna wait patiently.
Work on this.